Sunita and Nick are helping out on the farm. They always have many chores. They always feed the chickens in the morning. The chickens are always hungry. They usually collect eggs too. Are there any eggs? Yes, there are lots of eggs. There are many cows on the farm too. But Sunita and Nick don't milk the cows. The farmer always milks the cows. Stacy and Marie have chores on the farm too.
Over here.
They're picking fruit. They go to school early in the morning, but they usually pick fruit in the afternoon. Many people help out at home. Blair often walks the dog. When does she walk her dog? She walks her dog before school. Michelle often waters the plants. When does she water the plants? She waters the plants at lunchtime. What chores do you have? When do you do your chores?